In this video, I will show you how to sell crypto on Bitvavo. And if you aren't started yet on Bitvavo, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started absolutely for free and to not pay any commission fees in the beginning. So this can save you a lot of money as you're just getting started. So feel free to check this link, but anyway, let's dive into the video. So go to your asset that you want to sell, and let's say I want to sell Ethereum. Then I'm going to click on Ethereum, and at the bottom right, I'm going to click on sell. And here you need to enter the amount that you wish to sell. So the minimum amount is somewhere around €5 or something that's equivalent to $6. So let's say I want to sell for €6. Then I'm going to click on preview order. And down below, you will see the crypto price that you are selling for. And in this tutorial, I am using Ethereum to show you, but of course, this can be any other crypto. And this is refreshing every 6 seconds. And down below, you can also see the fees that are included. And again, if you do not want to pay for any fees, then check the link in the description to get started and to not pay for fees in the beginning of your Bitvavo journey. So anyway, let's click on sell Ethereum. As you can see, our Ethereum was successfully sold. So that is how you sell crypto on Bitvavo. I did this tutorial with Ethereum just to show you how it works, but you can do this with any other crypto. So thank you for watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel.